going to show you all how to bleed and to refill the LR cartridge. These are basically the parts of the assembly. We have the lockout unit, the rebound unit, and the main tube. Here aside we can see the lockout nut we are going to use later. First of all, we have to check the tube. On one side of the tube we can see we have a little hole. This hole is the bleeding hole. It's very important to fix the hole on the upper side of the cartridge. So this hole must always stay on the lockout side. Very important also for the bleeding procedure. First of all, we have to be sure that all the air is outside the cartridge. In order to do this, we are going to bleed firstly the ribbon side. This is the ribbon side. Be sure that the ribbon adjuster is in open position. So this slot must be open. Then insert the ribbon unit in the tube in this way. As I told you before, the hole must be on the opposite side. Then we are going to put some oil in the tube. Doesn't matter the quantity. We need this oil to be sure that all the air is out of the ribbon unit. The oil I'm using now is 7.5 SI 7.5, or if you don't have it, you also can use the 5 weight oil. Right now I'm moving the ribbon unit just to be sure that all the air comes out. Once you have done this, you have to take out very carefully the ribbon unit, but holding the system in this position, like I'm doing now. Okay, so we are sure that the system inside the needle and all the parts are completely full of oil. Keep the unit vertical. Then you have to bring the lockout unit. In this case, you have to be sure that the lockout adjuster must be in open position. So put the adjuster in open position and insert the lockout unit in the tube. Once again, the hole in the lockout side. Now fill again the oil in the cartridge. This time you have to reach the top side of the cartridge. You have to wait a while in order to be sure that all the air is coming out. You can shake a little bit if you want. And then you just have to take the ribbon unit and you have to put the ribbon unit inside the cartridge in this way. Press very gently in the tube. That's it. Even the lockout unit is going out a little bit from the tube, doesn't matter. This means the cartridge is completely full of oil. Once you will put the cartridge in the fork, everything will be pressed by locking up the top plug. That's it. The cartridge is completely full of oil and ready to install in the fork.